Hey everybody, welcome back. Here we are, part 2 of the unknown power supply. And it's been a while, but I've been busy with other things, but I do have replacement capacitors. Got them in from, good old China, from behind the red curtain there. And so I'm simply just going to change those 5 caps, the old electrodes, and I'm thinking, normally I'll leave cans in there just for aesthetic values and, inside radios, of course. But in this case, look, I'm just going to take each can out. Bugger, makes it a lot easier for me to put each one there, wire it all up, and we should be good to go. So I'll start getting that one out, and just to show you how I'm going to be wiring them up. And should be, well, hopefully a little bit of fun anyway. But back soon. Okay, got that first can out, and this is my thought on it. So just going to glue that there, and I've got my wires all ready, and I will attach them and try and make it as neat as possible. So I'll just go along one after the other, and we'll do him first. So I'll spend some time, glue it in, and wire the first one up, and we see what it looks like. Okay, here it is, all done, all glued in, all soldered up. And again, thank God for my colour coding. You can take pictures, of course. But anyway, let's test it. And I'll just bring the camera around a little bit so we can see the multimeter. And by memory, I think these were fairly low voltage. I don't know, 20, 30, 40 volts, something like that. All right. Let me come around the other side of the camera, and let's give the Variac a bit of a squirt of power. Come on. Okay, 24 volts, 29, 30. All looking good. I reckon I'm at about 150 volts of mains. Alright, so that's working, and we should have voltage on. Let me see. I'll just leave Variac on, and we'll just go through every cap. Volts there. Again, I've probably only given the thing about 80 volts of mains. Watch myself there. What's this one give us? Negative 12 volts because I've got the clips around the wrong way. And where are we? Positive here. Negative there. 2 volts, okay. And the very last one, $13 volts. So that's all good. There's no smoke, no bangs or anything. So obviously it's still working. What I'll do, this is pretty much wrapped up. This is all I'm going to do with it. If you recall from the other video, there's a shitload of resistors and capacitors underneath that, but I'm not going to change them. No, I'm not going to do that. Things working. So I'll get this fuse board connected up, and then we'll just run through it again and finish up the video. Okay, before I put it back in the case, I thought let's run through it and see what voltages we're getting. Again, as I recall from the last video, they were reasonably close, not spot on, but hey, what do you want for something this old? But anyway, earth, and let's go with 3 volts. What do we get here? 3.4, not bad. 6 volts, 7 volts. Okay, 12. Get 13. 20 volts. Get 22. And 50 volts, 47. Hey, close enough. Let's go with negative voltage. Don't recall doing that. So red lead goes into the negative, and where are we here? I can't see it. Okay, negative 3 volts. Yep. Oh, actually, let's do it the right way, just so we do see this negative. And negative 3. Yep, 3.5. What's that? Negative 6, which is negative 7. Negative 9. Spot on. And negative 12. Pretty good too. So that's all good. That's all good. And yeah, I'm going to put it back in the case, and you never know, may use it one day. But I'll finish it off when I'll finish this video off. Once I put it back in the case, we have a bit of a look. I did paint the outer case, and we'll see what it looks like. Well, here it is, guys, all back together and operating well. I think, you know, quite well, quite reasonably. Given its age, oh, I'm guessing, I don't know, 60s. I don't know. And yeah, you can see the post that I had to replace. I went to unscrew it, and the original, and yep, just snapped off at the shaft. So that's the only one I had there. So I had to use them. What do you do? Never mind. Anyway, it's all good, all been saved, and thank you for watching. Nice short video. I'm not going to keep blabbering on, but I will catch you all again very, very soon. So take care, guys. Have fun and be safe. Bye.